the next one. We're about to start that thing. We're going to see how that Fortec runs.
All right, Trax, you seen it here first. All right, that's it. Don't be copying, Traxxas. He want his money.
It's cool. You see Electro almost hit you?
That's going Willie, man.
Yeah, Willie. Yeah, Willie. It's smooth. I don't think it's still as fast as a regular Forte.
Well, here and
Electro. Just playing kamikaze out in the street.
Once you get air, but
yeah. Look. Oh, you got a little exercise.
Yeah.
Peace.
Bring me